Hi, good afternoon. My name is Edward Weeks. I'm here at Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough. Behind me is the 2023 Metris van we have available on our lot. This is a Metris with about 84,000 miles. This car was purchased by one of our local vendors. He did all of his servicing here. This is about his sixth Metris he's had with us. This one does come with the dual sliding doors. As noticed in the photos, we do have a dent here on the side. We are going to call that character for the vehicle. But you have the dual sliding doors and the back. You do have the divider in this one as well. Metris is available. If you have any questions or want any extra footage, please let me know and we'd be happy to get that to you. And if you are interested in inquiring from out of state, we do have a shipper that we like to recommend, but you're always welcome to use your own as well. And if you have any other questions, feel free to give us a call. Again, Edward Weeks, and my direct line is area code 207-510-2283. Have a great day.